All right, so I got to see. Okay, so I got this stuff called SC1. It's high gloss coating. It's used to restore or repair all of your plastic on ATVs, snowmobiles, side-by-sides, four-wheelers, dirt bikes. But I'm going to try it on this because it's the same. They say it repels water. This is in salt water most of the time, so dinged it up a little bit here. But this is pretty, it's starting to fade. This thing's only like a year and a half, 2 years old. So I'm going to clean this all up and test out this SC1, put it across the bottom here. And if it works good, then I'll just go ahead and do the whole entire haul on the outside. But yeah, this stuff is I think it's been out a while, but someone told me about it, so I'm gonna give it a try. So it's a new bike in a can, prevents buildup of mud and rubber, protects against the elements. So yeah, basically you just clean it up and apply it, let it dry for like 60 seconds, wipe down any residual, and it's supposed to make your plastic look like new. So yeah, let's go ahead and try this out. I'm just wiping this all down with lint-free rag, cleaning it up. And then I'm going to apply that. SC1, let's see how it works. Just going to do one area here first. I'm not going to go crazy. Get this cleaned up. Alright, I'm just going to start applying this. I'm not going to tape it off, I'm just going to try to feather it. And see how it works. Try not to make it run, you know. Okay, I'm going to stop right there. Let's see how that looks. Let that dry like 60 seconds. I'm not too concerned about the bottom part, but I'll probably hit it anyway. But let that dry. I think it's looking better already. Let that set about 60 seconds. And then we'll give it a wipe. Alright, it's been about 60 seconds or so. And just letting that dry and cure. But yeah, as you can see, man, this is the old section here. This is the new section. And what I normally use is, you guys have seen it before, is this white new. But I'm going to try this. See how that works out. Even if I have to apply this, you know, like once a season, it's worth it to me. If it's going to keep my plastic in good shape. So I'm going to go ahead and just finish all the way down. But so far, I put this on the dash in my van, and man, it really brought it back to life. So I'm going to go ahead and just do the rest of this side and move the boat around and do the other side. But from what I see so far, I recommend this. It's supposed to repel water, and it's supposed to have no residue, UV resistant as well. So I'm going to go ahead and finish all this up, and then it'll be on to the next one. Probably do some fishing tomorrow. But so far, after applying this, like I said, it's only been, this is briefly, but I'll make sure I follow up and let you guys know after I take it out of the water tomorrow how this stuff is holding up against seawater. Yeah, so I did this area here. I already went down this side, and as you can see, it's a shadow right here. But as you can see, this is the difference right here compared to this. So you can definitely see it back here on the swim deck as well. This was just faded all together, so nothing I can really do about that. But over here, you can definitely see the difference. You know, if you stand back, you can see the difference in this and this. So the sun out here eats everything. I mean, it's like you don't have to worry about cold, but the sun is like a brutal, it's brutal on anything you leave in the sun out here in this area. So I applied this SC1 to my van, like I said, as well. But so far, I would probably recommend this over using Wipe New. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this swim deck, and after I'm done with that, you guys will see the difference. And this stuff is, like I said, UV resistant. They use it on snowmobiles, UTVs, but I don't know how it's gonna hold up out here in the sun, because like I said, the sun is brutal out here. Mitch, will you pass me out the can right there? The sun is brutal out here. What do you guys need?
See how it's doing this too.
Hold on a second.
On this one. Wheel bearing.
Does that look better or what?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Should do the other side?
Not yet. I'm gonna move the boat and do the other side. I might not have to move it, but I'm taking it out tomorrow anyway. So.
Yeah.
All right.
It's night and day.
So I recommend this stuff. I approve this message. So if you guys are into this stuff, you can purchase it. SC1.com. Just Google it. Use it for, like I said, it's new bike in a can. Prevents buildup, mud, rubber, protects against the elements. So I do recommend this for ATVs or whatever you're using it on. Even the dash in your car, inside the vehicle, the trim. So yeah, any vinyl stuff like that. Like I said, we'll see how it holds up against the test of time. But if I have to go over this, you know, once a season, to me, it's worth it if it's going to keep my plastic in good condition. All right. Thanks for watching. I'm on the next one.